So, dear students, in this video we will be discussing about nested classes or class within class. Yes, we can create a class within another class. So, how to use this class and what are the restrictions upon this class? Let's check it through an example. Let's say we have a class person and this class has one private member and this private member is name. And then this class has some public function, let's say constructors, okay, and let's say parametric constructor also this class is having. This name is equal to name, okay, and then this class has another class, let's say another class, and class is birthday, birth date, and let's say this birthday class has one private member that will be of type integer, and type integer that will be of type string, and let's say it will be date of birth, okay. And then this class also have some public functions. So let's say this class has constructor, birth date, and this is default constructor, this is parametric constructor, let's say string, DOB, and this DOB is equal to DOB. Okay, so now this class has, and then let's say this class has another function just to show. So void display, and this will display simply date of birth, cout date of birth is equal to DOB. So now let's say this class has, we have one class name is person. Person class has private member of type string, and then public function person, default constructor, parametric constructor, and then this person class has another class name is birthday, and this birthday class has one private member, date of birth, public members here. Now let's say one more public function of class person, that will be, let's say print. And then let's say this function pass an object of class birthday, okay, and what does it mean? No identifier, okay, birth date, sorry, my class name is birth date, okay. And then let's say cout, it will cout name, name is equal to name and line, and then we want to print date of birth, so we will say DOB dot display. So one thing is that you can call it object here, or inside main when you create an object of class person, you can create an object of class person using parametric constructor. Let's put any name ABC. But if you want to create object for class birthday, class name is birth date, birth date, so birth date, and let's say object name is B, and you want to give some date of birth, let's say 1/1/2020. But see, here is an error. You cannot create independent object of this class birthday, because this class birth date has been created inside the class person. So without the reference of class person, you cannot create object for this class birthday. You are able to create object like this. So this is how nested class works. You cannot, now you could write p dot print and it will show everything. Let's check it first. What is the error? Okay, we have to call object here. Sorry, I forgot. Because this print function has one parameter. So now let's say name is ABC, date of birth is this. So the you can write class within a class also, but then you cannot use independently, means you cannot create object of this class only with the same class name birthday. You have to refer the class inside which you create the second class, nested class. So this is the main restriction about the nested class. But yes, in C++ there is a facility. You can create nested classes, means you can create class within a class. So thank you very much for watching. In next